Welcome to the LinkLeap AI training video series. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create QR code for a lead form in LinkLeap AI. Just select the lead form option. Now you are in data entry section. Add form name. You can add favicon. You can create and design your lead form. You can add questions to your lead form if you want. You can design your QR according to your choice. By clicking on Next and your QR code is ready to use. Just download your QR code in your desired format. Thanks for watching video.